my enemies. Hey. So you, hey.
Then what is all this? You're shouting. You're shouting. This is not necessary. You're shouting.
You're asking me what is all this? That my only child is living inside. What is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you doing with all this? Oh my God.
Why are you shouting now? Why are you not shouting? And I don't like it. Once you shout, it affects my mental health. I don't like it.
Oh, I'm shouting.
Yes.
I'm shouting at you.
Yes.
Okay. Small time and you say you want to leave the house. I know. That's the next thing you will say.
Yes. If you continue like this, I will leave the house for you. You know I don't have time. I'll leave the house for you.
And you know I will not like that. Eh? I don't want that. You're my only child now. Eh? If anything happens to you, who will inherit my properties? Who will inherit my business?
I don't know.
My large estate.
I'm just living my best life. Live it for me.
Hey. See, you know that the law enforcement agents, they are around, combing houses, searching everywhere for things like this. If they come now and arrest you, what do you think will happen to you? Oh. Eh? My enemies will not see my end. No. Oh, okay. What do we do now? I need to clear these things. Eh? What if they come now and see it with you? Eh? Okay. Okay.
Young man, are you sure there is nothing incriminating in this house? Officer, there is nothing here. Now only me they stay for this place. You can go inside and verify. Officer Amil, sir, go and inspect this house. Ensure you check every corner of this apartment. You, stay there. Right there. Just pray. If you move, just pray. Oga don't hear the video. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, say you said it. Not you, sir. Officer, what's this? Officer, I don't know. I don't know what is it. So, this is what you use in terrorizing this environment, young man. Today, you rot in jail. Move this man! Move! Officer, move this man! Move this man!
Hey, what is happening here? What is it? Eh?
Well, sir, we recovered this exhibit from this man's apartment.
Solo?
Uncle?
Where did you get all these things from?
Uncle, they are not for me. I don't know how they got into my apartment.
Oh, you are still denying it. You don't know how they got into your apartment. So, Solo, you are a criminal. Hey, I said it. I said it. Solo. So you want to pay me with evil after everything I've done for you? Hey, Solo. I took you into my house after the death of your father. I've been feeding and clothing you. Now you want to pay me back with evil. You will not succeed. So you want to use all these things to corrupt my son. Solo, you will succeed. You will not succeed. Officers, take him to the station. Ensure he rots in jail. You will rot in jail. Solo. Where is he? Officer,
where's Solo?
Officer, why do you allow him to go?